Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to download shapefile. If you need free shapefile for road, river, building, land use and forest, so stop searching. In this video will show you how to download them for any location shapefile in just a few clicks. So let we start. First we go to browser and we write here extract.bbike.org, and after it here is website. We open it, we select here format shapefile and we search here our location. We search here Delhi and search. Here is area, Delhi area. You download as per your requirement. We select here Delhi, India, and here is Delhi, India. We go to particular location as per our need, and we write here email address as per your requirement. We write here email ID, and after it we click here. Here is area, resize or drag polygon. So if you want to resize it, you click here and resize as per your requirement. And if you want to modify as per your requirement, you click add point to polygon and you click here and adjust your point as per your requirement. You adjust it, and after it we click here extract. If taken between 2 to 7 minutes to extract, so wait 2 to 7 minutes, and after it we go to our email ID. We receive mail, we click here and here is download link. We click download link. Our file is download. We go to download folder. Here is our download file. We copy it and paste our location. We paste it. We right click, extract here, and here is our shape file. We open it to ArcMap. We open ArcMap. We go to add data. We add shape file. Here is our all shape file. Our free shape file download process complete successfully. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIS tutorial and comment below if you have any question. Thank you for watching video.